In this tutorial we will learn how to mask hair with the background, so let's get started. Use pen tool to separate the body to masking area. Right-click, make selection. Duplicate the image, then apply mask. Then go to Channels, select the color mode with the most detailed hair. Choose red, then duplicate. Rename your duplicate channel. Then click Command L or Control L for the levels. Adjust the levels to make the hair more visible. Hold Ctrl, then click the layer to make the selection activate. Then go to Layer panel. Click Mask, then Invert, to view the hair selection. Duplicate the layer mask. Then clean the area that is not needed. Adjust the levels more, to see the more detail of the hair outside. Notice that you will only adjust the mask area, and not the direct image itself. You need to spend a lot of time to clean the area. Move the mask hair layer to the top, then reveal the bottom layer. Create a new layer, then select a color background to view more of the image. Create a new layer, then right-click, select Clipping Mask. Now choose the Clone tool, then apply to hair. Control-click the area that you want to copy, then apply. Use a textured brush to add some detail to the hair. You will need extra time to clean everything. Now you can adjust the color to your image. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.